The discriminant. The discriminant discriminates. It tells how many solutions an equation has. Most quadratics like these have 2 solutions, but you could also have 0 or 1. Again, whatever the power is, it tells you the most solutions possible. So that most they could have 2. Now, if you put it in standard form, a, b, c, and if you take the b squared minus 4ac, which is the inside of the square root of the quadratic formula, if this value in here equals 0, again, if the value, when you plug in b, c, and a into this formula, if that ends up being 0, you have 1 solution. If what's inside of here is greater than 0, now greater than 0, hopefully you realize, means positive. Greater than 0 means positive. So if this is positive, that means there's going to be 2 solutions. And if it's less than 0 means negative. If it's negative, that means it's going to be 0 solutions, because we're not allowed a square root of a negative. So let's check this out. How many solutions will this have? Well, all we do is we know our ABCs. So A equals 1, B equals 4, C equals negative 5. And what we're going to do is we're simply going to plug it into b squared minus 4ac. So we got b squared, b is 4, minus 4a, which is 1, and c, which is negative 5. We plug all that in, and all we're caring is if it's positive, negative, or 0. So look, we got 16, and that looks like I got positive 20. Now, is that positive, negative, or 0? Well, it's positive. Positive means it's 2 solutions. Meaning if we finished it, we would have 2 answers. It discriminates. It just tells you real quick how many answers. And that one will have 2. Alright, let's do this one. The first thing, though, we need to do is move this over so it's in proper form. So we minus the 3x over. Okay. Now, once we got it to that form, we got to find our ABCs. So we got to, and we're going to do b squared minus 4ac. Now, b squared is negative 3, b is negative 3, a is 1, and c is 8. So it looks like we have here, I have 9, and then this is negative 32. That is negative 23. That's negative. What does negative mean? Negative means no solutions. The reason I put a line through it so you don't think it's O solutions. No solutions. 0 answers. Alright, the last one. Now this doesn't ask how many solutions, it asks how many x-intercepts. Well, if you think about x-intercepts mean that that's 0. So if it's saying x-intercepts, it's basically saying y is 0. Now doesn't this look like these problems now? Yeah. So if I just solve it, will it tell me how many solutions? And solutions are the x-intercepts. So let's use the same formula, a, b, and c. The key is you just put 0 there first. b squared minus 4ac. B is negative 6. 4 times a is 1. And 9 is c. And when I simplify this, I get what? 36 minus 36, which is 0. Oh, a 0 means it's 1 solution. 1 solution means 1 x-intercepts. Maybe I should call it solutions. Call it 1 x-intercept. You could put 1 solution, but there's 1 x-intercept because that's what it's asking for. Solutions and x-intercepts are kind of the same thing, depending. This one you just had to plug a 0 in to start with.